Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we want to talk about a feature of QuickBooks Online that many entrepreneurs might not know about. It's a mileage tracking app that you can download on your phone, and it can help you keep track of your business mileage. This can be incredibly useful when it comes to tax time, as it can help you maximize your deductions and reduce your tax liability. So, let's take a closer look at this feature and how it can help you. The importance of mileage tracking. As an entrepreneur, you likely have a lot of expenses to keep track of, and it can be easy to overlook some of the smaller ones. However, even small expenses can add up over time, and missing out on deductions can cost you a significant amount of money. That's why it's so important to be diligent about tracking your business expenses, including your mileage. QuickBooks Online's mileage tracking app makes it easy to do just that, so you can be sure that you're not missing out on any potential deductions. By taking advantage of this feature, you can reduce your tax liability and ultimately save a significant amount of money in the long run. So if you're an entrepreneur who drives for business purposes, be sure to download the app and start tracking your mileage today. Understanding business mileage. Before we dive into the specifics of QuickBooks Online's mileage tracking app, let's take a moment to understand what business mileage is and why it's important. Business mileage refers to any miles that you drive for business purposes, such as meeting with clients, attending conferences, or running errands for your business. These miles can be deducted from your taxes, which can significantly reduce your tax liability. However, in order to deduct these miles, you need to keep accurate records of them, which is where QuickBooks Online's mileage tracking app comes in. Benefits of mileage tracking app. So why should you use QuickBooks Online's mileage tracking app? Well, there are a number of benefits to using this app. First and foremost, it makes it incredibly easy to track your business mileage. All you need to do is download the app on your phone and turn it on when you start driving for business purposes. The app will automatically track your mileage, so you don't need to worry about keeping track of it manually. This can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially if you're someone who drives a lot for business. In addition to being easy to use, QuickBooks Online's mileage tracking app is also incredibly accurate. The app uses GPS technology to track your mileage, so you can be sure that your records are precise. This can be especially important if you're ever audited by the IRS, as accurate records can help you avoid any penalties or fines. Finally, using the app can also help you stay organized. The app automatically categorizes your trips as either personal or business, so you don't need to worry about sorting through your records later on. This can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially if you're someone who has a lot of trips to keep track of. Real-world example. To give you a better idea of how QuickBooks Online's mileage tracking app can benefit you, let's look at a real-world example. Let's say you're an entrepreneur who drives 10,000 miles per year for business purposes. If you use the standard mileage rate of 54.5 cents per mile, that means you could deduct $5,450 from your taxes. However, if you're not keeping accurate records of your business mileage, you might miss out on some of those deductions. For example, if you forget to track 500 miles of business mileage, that could cost you $272.50 in deductions. That might not seem like a lot, but over time, it can really add up. By using QuickBooks Online's mileage tracking app, you can ensure that you don't miss out on any deductions and maximize your tax savings. The bottom line. So what's the bottom line? QuickBooks Online's mileage tracking app is a powerful tool that can help entrepreneurs save money on their taxes by accurately tracking their business mileage. By using this app, you can ensure that you don't miss out on any deductions and maximize your tax savings. Additionally, the app is easy to use, accurate, and can help you stay organized. We highly recommend that all entrepreneurs take advantage of this feature so that they can save as much money as possible on their taxes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks for entrepreneurs. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Also, feel free to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.